After filing the TDS return, the software allows the user to email the generated TDS certificates directly to the respective deductees. This video shows how to use this feature to email the certificates. Go to Utilities. Click on Email TDS Certificates. Select Company from the list. Select the financial year. Select the certificate type to be emailed. Select the quarter number. Select Email Setup. Select Email Format. Click on Proceed. Select the deductees to send the email. Click on Send Email. The email has been sent successfully. Hope you found it useful. Thank you for watching.